I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hello, it is Nikki here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing my nails. I will be using Lampo gel polish. Now, that brand used to be popular a couple of months ago, like at the beginning of the year. I'm not sure if they still around because I really don't hear about them, but they did have really good quality gel polishes. Now, because I don't have their top and base, I am going in with Born Pretty rubber base, and because I wanted to give some thickness to the tips but not having it too thick, and the rubber base is a really thick consistency, so I did go in with the Born Pretty rubber base, and I'm going to apply that to all of the nails. So I am going in with this, it looks pink on the bottle, but it is a nice orange color. And this set is going to be real simple, keeping it nice simple. And I'm going to apply 2 coats of this polish. I actually kept this real simple because this polish has like a glitter sparkle to it. I didn't think it needed anything else. And I absolutely love how this turned out. So I am polishing my dominant hand, which using my non-dominant hand, which is my left hand, to do this. So it's a little complicated. I haven't perfected doing my nails with my non-dominant hand, but it ain't as bad as it used to be. Okay, I can still manage. Now, that's the main reason why ain't no design on this hand. Like, to try to do nail art with my non-dominant hand, I can't do it with my right hand. I don't know what you expect me to do with my left hand. So, but it got to be cute too. So I do polish my nails on both of my hands, but it be simple. So I did went in with the second layer. I only showed the pinky because I repeated the exact same thing on all of the nails, but I only showed one nail on the second coat just so you can see the difference in the opacity of one coat and two coats. So these are what the nails are looking like after I applied the tube coat. And I am going in with the Born Pretty Super Top Coat as well. And so here I'm just looking at my nail and I notice on the pinky it has a little bit of spillage of the polish. So I am going in with my hand file just to take some of that polish off of my free edge because I don't like the way it looks when it go off on the sides. And I'm sorry to off frame, but as I'm filing to clean up that dust, I am using a cleanup brush and some alcohol just to remove that brush because that top of the polish is still tacky. I haven't wiped off the tacky layer, and I should have, but at the time I wasn't thinking. I, I just did it. It didn't affect no. I didn't get dust on top of the nail, so that worked. But I just simply filed it off until it was even. So these are what the nails are looking like. I absolutely love how they turned out. If Landfo still has a website, I will leave it in the description box. So definitely check that out. Now the design that is currently on my left hand, I do have a video for that. I will leave it in the cards. So definitely check that out as well if you want to see how I created this amazing look using dip products that I created myself. So I truly, truly appreciate it if you've made it this far in the video. If you're new here and you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so, so much for your continued support. I truly, truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, bye-bye.
What a wonderful world.